How I became a maid is kind of a multifaceted type thing. We started out with a junk removal company that we were doing lots of new construction junk removal, and it turned into them asking if we cleaned houses for final inspection, and we said sure. And so we started doing that, and started cleaning their new construction homes. And we've done business with them now for about 2 years, and they really enjoy the work that we do and keep us somewhat busy. With the new construction slowing down a bit, we didn't have a lot of jobs, and so I decided that I would just expand my horizons and move on to existing homes. So I put an ad on a free classified and just started doing some existing homes, and really have just gotten bombarded, and it's really nice. It's exploded. So that's kind of how I got my start as a maid, and I just started as my own business. I just started a business and did it from there. I never did this, for anyone else other than my own housekeeping, and I've really enjoyed it. I enjoy cleaning, and it's something that I have had a good time doing and making money. So how I got my first job was actually, going door to door. We would take donuts into construction offices, and we would do it usually Monday mornings because they are oftentimes in the office getting things ready for the week. And so we would just take in the donuts, my husband and I, and walk in and ask them if they had any need for junk removal. And that's kind of how it got started. One company took us on, and it just kind of rolled from there. We got those first few jobs, and then, like I said, it turned into a housekeeping and maid service to do some final post-construction cleaning. And then it has evolved into existing houses as well.